I just got home after 2 weeks of being away. The state of my apartment is crazy. I'm trying to put everything away and organize and unpack all my suitcases. I'm just trying to get everything in order, essentially. If you can hear noise, sorry, I cracked my windows open because it was hot and the cold air in New York feels so nice. But I live in New York City, so it's gonna be loud. As you can hear, there's a siren. There are clothes all over my apartment right now, so welcome back. Let's get organized. Morning.
Something happened with Ryan. What am I supposed to say to him?
I was sitting here journaling and then I decided to open up SeatGeek because it's been really cold in New York, which means I haven't left as much as I would have liked to. And I just wanted to see what they had. And I just got so excited because I forgot they do the Nutcracker. So it's playing this Friday at 8 p.m. and I kind of want to go. So I was just looking at tickets. But I want to say a huge thank you to SeatGeek for sponsoring another video, and I'm sure most of you are familiar with SeatGeek at this point. I've talked about them before, and obviously a lot of people use SeatGeek. It's the #1 ticketing app. I mean, the Nutcracker ballet, but they also have sporting events, comedy shows, concerts. I also just saw the Jonas Brothers and Jesse McCartney are performing in Brooklyn. I love that it tells you the rating, as you can see. So look for the green because that means good. Avoid the red, that means bad. It has over 35 million downloads, over 70,000 different events going on the app. So there's literally something for everyone. And I also feel like it's a great time to talk about SeatGeek with the holidays just around the corner, because I think that my new thing is gifting experiences. I remember an experience or a memory so much more than any material gift I've ever been given. I just think it's such a great holiday gift idea. So, with the holiday season just around the corner, give the gift of a ticket this year and use my code Olivia Jade for 10% off on SeatGeek. I'll put all the info below, but make sure you click the link in my description box and download the app and have the code automatically added to your account so you can use it when you check out later. Again, that's 10% off your tickets with the code Olivia Jade. Thank you, SeatGeek, for sponsoring this, and I'm about to call my friends and see if anybody will go to the Nutcracker with me. I was supposed to go to a Pilates class in 10 minutes, but I don't know if I'm on a couple day hangover because I'm old now or what's happening. I'm just not feeling 100%, so I'm just working from home today. I'll take it chill. I'll probably walk on the treadmill, just like no incline, just to get steps in because it's freaking cold in New York. Like, it's freezing. I also already made breakfast and a coffee. I don't know if I showed that. I definitely didn't show breakfast. I think I showed my coffee, but I just had avocado toast on my homemade sourdough, which I want to make another loaf maybe tomorrow, so potentially feed it tonight and film that. And then also my best friend Jamie is coming in like 2 hours to stay with me for the week. And then my cousin's gonna come over tomorrow. We're gonna cook dinner, I think the three of us. I don't know what we're doing tonight, but Jamie and I will either go out for dinner or cook and be cozy. So I just got some packages to my door. This is from Way. It says tap me, but where? I'm so tired, I don't understand what's happening. What? How do you open this? Oh, you actually tap it. Whoa, that's actually really cool. And then it unlocks. Whoa! That's cool. It's their new fragrance. Oh my god. That smells like a beach. That one's like more vanilla-y. Daytime, nighttime. That's my consensus. That's really clever gifting. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Cozyland makes the cutest, coziest pajamas. I love them. I also recommend sizing up. I like oversized things. So like even in these, I'm a medium. Well, I didn't ask for that, but they sent me medium and I'm very grateful. And then my sister told me with the Cozyland pajamas, it's better to get medium because I was getting smalls. Shit. I lost you. So I got 3 pairs. They're all mediums because they just fit like perfectly from Cozyland. And how cute is this print? It's little cars and trees. And so on Christmas morning, my sister and myself and my mom can wear these. I thought that was fun. Thank you so much, Cozyland, for giving me the pajamas. I thought I would film my night, a little bit of it. I have a pretty exciting Zoom right now. Every December, my team and I do like our end of year meeting and we talk through what last year looked like versus this year and set goals for next year, and it's all of my agents and it's just a good vibe. I would struggle immensely, probably wouldn't even be alive without them. This is how I'm taking my meeting.
Hey girl.
Hey, can you see me?
Yeah. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. I can.
Like, won't move. Rico won't move.
Hi,
I'm like,
cute.
Oh my god, he's handsome.
He's
so handsome.
cute. Wait, how do I see like everyone at once? Hi, Al.
Okay, well, I got a bunch of things to say, so I'm just gonna vomit them. One, I've never been so excited for a meeting.
That's what I was gonna say.
No, literally. This is so fun.
I'm scared.
No, you should be excited. This is like so overly positive.
This is
Mhm.
insane. This is insane.
You're gonna freak like just looking back at the year you've had.
Okay.
We did.
It snowed pretty much all night. It was my first snow. It was so exciting. I just woke up. Guess what I'm doing today? I'm seeing the Nutcracker tonight. My friend's staying with me and she's asleep. That's why I'm whispering. And then for today, I just have a bunch of work and random stuff to get done. And then I'm meeting my friend Ruby for Pilates at Aloe, which will be fun. Good day. Thought I would vlog it. So excited to go to the ballet. And yeah. I really hope I don't freeze. These shoes are so ugly with this. They're so warm. But I look insane. Okay, I'm gonna change. We're off.
Yeah, you got it, and then hook the left foot behind. And then slowly stand up into that right leg. The T. Yeah, so pretty confused with all these terms. Lift it up. Tap, lift it up. Tap, lift it up. 5. Your wife's like this. 4, 3. Okay. So we're gonna keep the ball where it is. You're gonna add on a white. Good. 8, 7.
I've decided to dress up a little bit for the Nutcracker. Old Faithful. Okay. She's on a mission. So we're late to the Nutcracker. And now we have to wait outside.
What is up?
I dropped a gumdrop.
Yeah, I'd give you like an 8. It's falling.
I don't need to be one.
Birdie's looks like there was a lot of wind when they were building.
What?
Gumdrop.
Gum do be dropping. What do you mean? They have Christmas windows.
Oh god, I didn't see it. I don't know. I thought you were.
This is the worst icing ever.
Don't punch it.
No, it's actually really pretty. You did a nice job.
What did that when all the gumdrops flew over?
Oh yeah, holding you. Should I let him out?
I'm like, no, they're literally buzzing. And then stop it.
To be so hungry. Or he was waiting in the turn line.
Fucking great. Wait, they might. On this DVD.
The cookies.
Should these ones be salted?